For equipping the devices, we decided on Bluetooth beacons, which we attached individually to each device.
BELFOR Suisse is a leading company in the field of damage restoration. We take care of fire, water, and storm damage, from the first emergency measures to full restoration.
Before we had Timley, we had to do all the device allocation manually and individually. The annual inventory also took us a lot of time. In addition, our current ERP system did not allow us to analyze the current maintenance costs of the devices. During the implementation process, Sandro from Timley was always there for us. Whether we had technical or application questions, Sandro was able to answer them and support us at any time. So how does our solution actually work? We equipped all locations with antennas and fitted our devices as well as our vehicles with beacons and Bluetooth trackers. This means we now have full transparency and can always see which device is at which location, or which device has been taken to which construction site. We also had an internal project team that took care of the entire tracker installation. The whole process was not always easy because each device is different: metal, plastic, and so on. This meant we had to be a bit creative when installing the trackers. But in the end, we were able to mount them all, and now we benefit greatly from it. Today, it is mainly the logistics team that works with this solution and places the devices in the right locations. But also the purchasing department uses it when acquiring new devices or replacing existing ones.
The handling is simple and intuitive. No major training is needed. 90% of the tasks can be done with a regular smartphone. From an operational point of view, not much has changed. We had no additional effort and were able to benefit from it instantly. We also had the option to add our own requests, such as storing device manuals in Timley and then accessing them digitally via QR code.
With Timley, we can also handle all ticketing and maintenance. We now have a solution where each device has individual tickets that employees can record on the construction site, while we internally already know which device it concerns. Since BELFOR started using Timley, we know exactly where each device is in use across Switzerland. Personally, I would always recommend Timley. From day one, we took the chance to grow together and put together a perfect solution. Our processes have become much leaner and more efficient, creating added value for our internal colleagues. So yes, BELFOR and Timley, they just fit together.